Aiden knows that managing energy efficiently is important, especially on the island. But without the right tools, setting the perfect temperature is guesswork. Aiden tries to make the most of solar energy by scheduling laundry during the day, but the timing isn't perfect. Energy use shifts into peak hours, raising costs. Even with solar panels, Aiden can't capture all of the energy produced during the day. Without a way to store it, much of the energy is lost to the grid. Despite trying to manage energy, Aiden charges the EV during peak hours, resulting in higher costs. The island's grid is strained during peak hours, causing a blackout that leaves Aiden and the entire community in darkness. Despite trying to manage energy manually, Aiden is faced with an unexpectedly high energy bill at the end of the month. Living on an island with a fragile grid, Aiden feels the strain of trying to manage energy manually. The process is frustrating and inefficient. With the digital energy assistant, the thermostat is optimized automatically, keeping the home comfortable while saving energy. The digital energy assistant schedules laundry automatically, using solar energy at its peak. This means no grid reliance during expensive hours. With a battery integrated into the system, excess solar energy is stored for later use, allowing Aiden to maximize solar power throughout the day and night. The digital energy assistant schedules EV charging for the most cost-effective time, reducing Aiden's energy costs without any manual effort. The digital energy assistant detects strain on the island's power grid and automatically adjusts energy usage, helping prevent a blackout. With the digital energy assistant, Aiden's energy usage is optimized throughout the month, leading to clear savings and reduced costs. With the digital energy assistant, Aiden can relax, knowing that energy is being managed automatically and efficiently, contributing to a more stable grid.